Welcome. Are you feeling the weight of work stress? It's a common challenge, but you have the power to change how you experience it. In this video, we'll introduce you to powerful affirmations designed to help you shift your mindset and overcome work-related stress. First, let's acknowledge that work stress is real. It's okay to feel overwhelmed, but we can learn to manage these feelings effectively. Positive affirmations are simple, powerful statements that can reprogram your mind. They help replace negative thoughts with empowering beliefs. Let's begin with affirmations focused on control and calm. These will help you feel grounded when things get hectic. Repeat after me. I am calm and focused under pressure. Visualize yourself handling challenges with ease and clarity. Next, I prioritize my tasks effectively and manage my time well. This affirmation reinforces your ability to organize and execute. A powerful truth. I have the power to choose my response to stress. Remember, stress is an internal reaction, and you control it. Now, let's focus on affirmations for self-worth and setting crucial boundaries in the workplace. Say this to yourself. My worth is not defined by my productivity. You are valuable beyond your to-do list. Repeat. I set healthy boundaries and honor my needs. Protecting your time and energy is vital for sustained well-being. Embrace progress over perfection. I release the need for perfection and embrace progress. Small steps lead to big achievements. Finally, affirmations to cultivate a positive and resilient outlook, even when faced with difficulties. Affirm. I approach challenges with confidence and resilience. See every obstacle as an opportunity to grow stronger. Believe. I am grateful for the opportunities to learn and grow. A gratitude mindset transforms tough situations. And most importantly, I create a positive and supportive work environment. Your energy influences your surroundings. You've taken the first step toward managing your work stress by engaging with these affirmations. For lasting change, commit to repeating these affirmations daily. Consistency is key to reprogramming your subconscious mind. Remember, you are in control. Go forth with peace, focus, and the confidence to conquer your day.